So for this example, we are going to add variable content to a appointment reminder postcard for a dental office. So we're going to use the variable data workflow, and we're going to go pick our master PDF. Here's our master. And then we're going to add our data source. So you can see all of the column headers appear here. Everything is text, so everything looks correct. So we click Create. And here is our postcard. So the first variable field we're going to add is a personalization to this first page, which we're going to use the first name field. So we're going to change it to Arial Black. And we're going to make it 18-point font so that it matches the rest of the design. I'm actually going to add some additional text here because I want to add a greeting, and I didn't in my design file. So I literally just type it in and add a colon here. Just double check the spacing here. It looks correct to me, so this looks fine. So I'm just going to resize this just a little bit to make sure that we've got enough room to accommodate a long last name. And I'm actually going to align the text in this area to the center of the text box. So now we're going to add the variable data to the back page of the postcard. So we're again going to use the first name field. I'm going to change this back to Arial, just Arial regular. And I'm going to drop the point size down to 13. I'm going to left align this, and I'm going to make it bold. So here we're actually going to add some more text strings. So your last visit was, and then I'm going to add a text field here, because in our data source, we have a date plugged in of when this patient's last visit was. So we're actually going to add that here. So I just adjust the size of the text box to make sure to accommodate for everything. And I space this where I want it to go. That looks right. And then all that's left is to add the address information. So I'm actually going to make this a little bit smaller. Make this 11 point. Doesn't need to be bold. So here I'm going to once again stack my variable fields within the same box. So the purpose of doing this is that it will automatically adjust for the assorted, the right sizes of the first name and last name within it. So I'm going to add the address. The rest of the address. Again, I'm going to stack my variable fields here. And add a comma. And I will align the left edges here, and I will just distribute them vertically to make sure everything looks correct. So once that's done, I'm ready to preview the different records. So when I look here, I'm looking at page 2. You see, oops, I have a typo here, so I need to go back and fix that. It's the beauty of the design view. You can actually dynamically fix and adjust things before actually sending them to print. So you can see that that has been updated, and you can see that the date has been added here from the database of their last visit, and the address information has been added. So we can go through the individual records to view. You can look at this page, and then you can look at page 1. And again, we can filter through the longest and shortest, just to make sure we've got enough room for everything. And once that's done, it's ready to send to a Fiery server for printing. Though I am going to go ahead and save this package. I will save my FFP, which packages all of the master and variable information into one package, so it's ready to save later or be reopened at a later date. And then you're done.